So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB CRK exam revision series, we have here these 5 JAMB repeated questions to answer on the topic leadership qualities. So guys, this video will be about Moses, so ensure to stay till the end of this video. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, when God called Moses to deliver the Israelites, he resisted because he could not speak, and he was told to A. Perform some signs with his rod. B. Wait for a sign from God. C. Go to Aaron, who would speak for him. D. Go with Joshua, who would speak for him. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. Go with Aaron, who would speak for him. That's it for this question. So let's head on to the next question, guys. So we have your question number 2. It says, the action that portrayed Moses as a leader of the Israelites was his A. Disobedience to Pharaoh and escape. B. Protection of the daughters of Jethro. C. Request to Pharaoh to spare Israelite sons. D. Killing of an Egyptian who fought with Hebrew. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. Killing of an Egyptian who fought with a Hebrew. And that's it for this question. So let's head on to the next question, guys. So we have your question number 3. It says, Moses fled Egypt to the land of Midian because A. Pharaoh wanted to kill him for the crime he had committed. B. He had killed an Egyptian and buried him in the sand. C. He was afraid that his crime would be made known. D. His countrymen asked if he would also kill him. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here. Pharaoh wanted to kill him for the crime he had committed. So that's it for this question. Let's head on to the next question, guys. We have your question number 4, which says, Moses complained to God that he would not go to Pharaoh alone because A. He was afraid of Pharaoh. B. Pharaoh would not believe him. C. He was slow in speech. D. He wanted Aaron to go with him. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. He was slow in speech. So that's it for this question. Let's head on to the next and last question, guys. So here is question number 5 of 5. And that's the last question for this video. It says, the ark that God commanded Noah to build was made of A. Cypress wood. B. Cedar wood. C. Acacia wood. And D. Gopher wood. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. That's gopher wood. And that's it for this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we're sure to give you a response. So finally, guys, I want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on JAMB examinations. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.